Hi, this is teacher Amanda, and today we are going to continue Kertas Model 1, Paper 1, Social Expression and Comprehension. Let's take a look at the social expression questions. Now, before you answer social expression, again, let me remind you there's two important things that you need to take note of, which is the speech bubble and also the picture. You also need to take note of these 2 marks over here. 2 marks meaning to say that you need to answer in a full sentence. Your answer cannot be 1 or 2 words, alright? It has to be in a full sentence. Let's take a look at question A. I want to be a doctor when I grow up. So this is obviously a reply. So the question should be, what do you want to be when you grow up, Amin? Alright, now, next one. Yes, these durians are sweet. So you see over here, yes. Yes meaning to say she replied to a question. Alright, so the question should be, aren't these durians sweet, Jennifer? Alright, with a question mark. Remember, when you ask a question, you need to put a question mark. Next one. It is 9 o'clock in the morning. Again, obviously, this is a reply. So what is the question? Lisa, may I know what time is it now? So the answer is, it is 9 o'clock in the morning. Alright. Now let's take a look at comprehension questions. Now, before you answer comprehension questions, you need to read the questions carefully. Over here it says, read the dialogue below and answer the questions that follow. Some of the questions are quite straightforward, alright? So you need to read the dialogue or the passage carefully because usually the answers are already inside there, alright? Now, A. Whose car met with an accident? The answer is Mr. Gopal. How would you know? It's written over here. Mr. Gopal said, I'm here to make a report. My car met with an accident this morning. Question B. The word prerequisite can be best replaced with, the answer is condition. Meaning to say what? Prerequisite is conditions that you need to meet before you do something. Okay, what are the things that you need to do before you get what you want? That is the condition. List 2 documents that Mr. Gopal need to make an insurance claim. Over here it says a police report and a copy of his insurance policy. Alright, how would you know? It's written over here. You see, I have to make a report as a prerequisite for an insurance claim. So report, a police report, and also a copy of the insurance policy. Alright, so do you think it will take a long time to make a report? Which sentence in the dialogue tells you this? So the answer is yes. It will take a long time to make a report, 1 mark. And it states here, the sentence, it might take some time to lodge a police report as the queues are long. The answers is over here. I see. It might take some time to lodge a report as the queues are long. Do you think Mr. Gopal was hurt in the accident? Why? Now this one you need to come up with your own answers. The answers are not provided inside. Alright? So based on what you know and your opinion, write. Since over here is a 2 marks, you must answer yes or no because they ask you, do you think? So the answer is yes or no. Right? So the answer is no. Mr. Gopal was not hurt in the accident as he said that the accident was not really bad. Besides that, he was able to go to the police station by himself to lodge a report. Alright, now this one over here is written in the dialogue, but over here it's not written. Alright, so you have to add your own words. Next one, read the text below and answer the questions that follow. The phrase brought in the text can be best replaced with introduce. How do we know this? It is believed to have been brought in by missionaries from the Middle East in the 14th century. Brought in, so it can be best replaced with introduce. Alright? The word accompanied in the text means join. Now let's see. The dancers usually perform in pairs and are accompanied by traditional music ensembles. Alright, accompanied by also can mean joined by traditional music ensembles. Who is believed to have brought in zapping to Malaysia? So the answer is quite straightforward. Missionaries are believed to have brought in zapping to Malaysia. The answer is written over here, by missionaries. List two musical instruments used in the music ensembles. Now the answer is also provided over here. Consisting of gambus, accordion, rebab, bongos, and drums. Any two of these is correct. Why do you think it is important to preserve cultural dances? Again, this is a 2 marks question. You need to come up with your own opinion. It is important to preserve cultural dances because it is inherited from our ancestors. These traditions are what make cultures different from each other. Alright, that is the answer. Read the advertisement below and answer the questions that follow. The word endurance in the advertisement means, 12 hours battery endurance, meaning to say the life of the battery. How long can it last? The phrase specially designed in the advertisement can be best replaced with specifically created. Alright, also very straightforward. The e-dictionary can record English, Bahasa Melayu, and what words? The answer here is Mandarin. How do we know? The answers are located here. Mandarin words. Match the phrase in list A to the phrase in list B. One has been done for you. The first one has been done. So let's take a look at the second one. The retail price is 150. Alright. Over here, 150. The promotional price will be 112 ringgit 50 cents. How can we get the answer? We take 150 minus 25% off. You will get the answer. The last one, the battery can last for 12 hours. It's correct because it's written over here. Alright, 12 hours battery endurance. Based on the advertisement, list two advantages of this e-dictionary. Now, advantages, another word for advantages is benefits. Alright, you can write a trendy e-dictionary and 12 hours battery endurance. Any answers over here is acceptable. In your opinion, now they're asking for your opinion again, so you must write your own answer. What is the function of the slim design? 2 marks here, so you need to write at least 2 reasons. In my opinion, because since they're right here, in your opinion, you need to answer in my opinion. The function of the slim design is to allow pupils to carry the e-dictionary around easily as it is lighter in weight, alright, and to fit in any sizes of the backpack. Okay, so that's all for Kertas Model 1, Paper 1, Social Expression and Comprehension. Thank you.